Question 2a. Describe the call of Abraham. Can you read Genesis chapter 12, verse 1 to 9?
Now the Lord said to Abraham, "Go from your country and your kindred and your father's house to the land that I will show you, and I will make you a great nation. And I will bless you and make your name great, so that you will be a blessing. I will bless those who bless you, and he who curses you I will curse. And by all the families of the earth shall bless themselves." Abraham went as the Lord told him, and Lot went with him. Abraham was 75 years old when he had departed from Haran. And Abraham took C.R.E, his wife, and Lot his brother's son, and all their possessions which they had gathered, and the persons that they had gotten in Haran. And they set forth to go to the land of Canaan. When they had come to the land of Canaan, Abraham passed through the land to the place of at Shechem, to the oak of Moreh. At that time the Canaanites were in the land. Then the Lord appeared to Abraham and said, "To your descendants I will give this land." So he built there an altar to the Lord, who had appeared to him. Thence he removed to the mountain on the east of Bethel, and pitched his tent with Bethel on the east side, and with Bethel on the west, and Ai on the east. And there he built an altar to the Lord and called on the name of the Lord. And Abraham journeyed on, still going onward the Negev.